Alright, it's a beautiful day here in West Chazy. Thought I would give a little update. Haven't done one for a while. And we have had quite a few things going on. I've had a few guys helping me out on different things, so I figured I'd show you out back here first. This is that barn that is out here, the old carriage shed, probably built around the same time. And you can see that we've had this all cleared out. We're working on getting all of this junk, stuff that I just need place to put things, but this turned into a nice place to kind of keep things around. Took the opened up that window, so yeah. And you can see all the tires that were on the other side there. It's amazing. I don't know why somebody has that many tires, but we've been working in this one here too. This was the old horse stalls here, so you can see all of these. Kind of hard to see back in this one. It's still getting cleaned, but there is an old washer in there, and there's an old sewing machine. But yeah, it's kind of neat. Got the old horse stall right there that still works. Anyways, so we've been working back here and did a lot of burning today. Went to the dump with a pile of stuff. Yeah, so like I said, beautiful night. The other thing that we did is we got the garage, a lot of the garage cleaned out, at least the stuff that was the garbage. So we can see here's the camper I'm staying in at different times. It's been kind of nice. I guess I didn't. So in the front here, I've shown this before, but I had some guys come in and have been working on this. So they're going to come back on Saturday and finish this. So it looks pretty nice. They did all of this and the trim. And they also put some on the inside here of that. So that came out pretty good. Also this week and last week, we've been working up on the top here. You can see we got all that painted. I think I might have shown that before, but now I have all of the shutters have been painted black, so they came out good. Good, we're still working on this. Hopefully we get that done this week. Got my flag out there, needs to kind of be pulled in a little bit. And you can see all the shutters here, and trim has all pretty much been painted up there. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. All the way around, all of these shutters, all of the trim, all up top there. So been a good couple of days. I'll show you the rest of it here, but I'll go inside here in a minute. So again, show the dining room here. We got this all cleaned out. There was so much junk in here before, and kind of sorted out the living room here to get things set up a little easier. And then another big job that we've been doing here, and you can see the scaffolding that's been set up, and all of the stuff on the stairs here. We've been tearing down all of the old wallpaper, and remember the ones where I went in here and did all of this. So Bill finally got in here and made the opening for the attic up there, and we got the lights all up here working, and basically been paint all of these walls here probably in the next day or so, finish up that corner there. But yeah, so it's been good. Hoping to get all of this stuff finished here in the next 3 or 4 weeks, but you know how it is, everything takes longer than I think, but slowly but surely we're getting there. Have a good day.